Yousician versus Simply Piano. Which piano app should you choose? Choosing the right piano learning app can make a huge difference in how quickly you progress and how much you enjoy the process. Yousician and Simply Piano are two of the most popular options, each designed for a different type of learner. Yousician focuses on interactive lessons and gamified learning, while Simply Piano offers structured courses and step-by-step guidance for beginners. This comparison breaks down how each app works so you can decide which one fits your learning style best. Yousician is an interactive music learning app that teaches piano, guitar, bass, and ukulele through real-time feedback. Its standout feature is the gamified learning experience, where users play along with songs and exercises while the app listens and scores performance. Yousician provides a mix of theory lessons, practical exercises, and popular songs, making practice engaging and motivating. The app adapts to your skill level, giving you a personalized learning path that grows as you improve. It's ideal for learners who enjoy interactive practice, want immediate feedback, and like a game-like structure to stay motivated. Yousician works well for beginners who want fun and dynamic lessons, as well as intermediate players looking to improve technique and repertoire. Simply Piano is a beginner-focused piano learning app designed to teach users step-by-step with a clear, structured curriculum. It starts with fundamental skills like note reading, timing, and finger placement, gradually introducing more complex songs and theory. Simply Piano listens as you play and provides instant feedback on accuracy, helping you build solid fundamentals. Its user-friendly interface and progression system make it easy to follow along, especially for complete beginners. Simply Piano is best for learners who prefer a guided, structured approach with gradual skill building and a focus on learning piano fundamentals before tackling more advanced techniques. Feature comparison. Yousician and Simply Piano each excel in different ways. Yousician is perfect for learners who enjoy interactive, game-like lessons and want to learn multiple instruments alongside piano. Simply Piano shines for beginners who prefer a clear, structured curriculum that builds foundational skills steadily. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize fun and gamified learning or structured, guided practice. Final thoughts. If you want a dynamic, engaging learning experience with gamified challenges and personalized progression, Yousician is a great option. If your goal is to learn piano step by step with clear guidance and focus on fundamentals, Simply Piano is the better choice. Both apps can help you improve your piano skills, but the best one depends on your learning style and goals.